ready to take control of your Blum tokens by moving them to your secure Tonkeeper wallet. This straightforward guide will walk you through every step, ensuring your Blum tokens are safely transferred and ready for action within the Telegram Open Network ecosystem, giving you access to efficient trading and staking opportunities. First, open your Blum application, locate and tap on the withdraw option, usually found within your wallet or asset section. Next, you'll need to select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. In this case, it will be Blum tokens, which are likely denominated or transferable as TON. Ensure you select the correct network, which should be the TON network. Now, it's time to get your Tonkeeper wallet address. Open your Tonkeeper application. You'll want to find your main TON wallet address. This is typically a long string of characters starting with the letter UQ. In Tonkeeper, navigate to the Receive or Deposit section to easily find and copy your unique TON wallet address. Return to the Blum app and carefully paste your copied Tonkeeper wallet address into the provided field. Double checking is crucial here to avoid any errors. Enter the exact amount of Blum tokens you wish to withdraw. Ensure this amount is within your available balance in the Blum app. Review all the details carefully on the confirmation screen. Once you're confident everything is correct, tap the Confirm button to initiate the withdrawal. You'll likely receive a notification confirming the withdrawal request. The transfer process can take a few moments depending on network conditions. And that's it. Your Blum tokens are now safely in your Tonkeeper wallet, ready for you to manage, trade, or stake within the decentralized TON ecosystem.